Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today, I'm going to make some badge reels. And I'm going to put some flowers in it. This pretty washi tape type flowers, PET. But I'm going to use UV resin. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to fill one of these cavities up just a little bit. I know you can use epoxy resin with this as well, but I wanted to do it with the UV to show you that if you ever need to hurry up and do a badge reel fast, you can. Let me go ahead and cure this. Okay, that's all nice and cured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tape, figure out which one we want to put in it. I like that one so far. I got these off of Temu a while back. I think I showed you in a Temu haul. Going back to the beginning there. I kind of think I like this one here. Close this all up. And these are the nice ones where they have it's already cut out for you. So all you have to do is get in there and peel it. I've got I don't know what kind of tool. It's a Cricut tool. And just get in there and get underneath it. I say get underneath it. Worked better with my nail. Shocking, huh? I'm peeling it off here, even though I know that the sticky side is on this side. I peeled it off so it won't be as thick. Let me figure this out. Okay, let me put a little bit of resin on there. I use this to stick it down. Okay. I'm going to need to cut the edges down a little bit. If ever you use scissors like that, make sure you clean them as soon as possible. Because you will have resin all over it and they won't open. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and clean my scissors. I'm not as worried about how fast I'm doing it because it is UV resin, and it takes UV resin or UV light to cure. But I still want to do it pretty fast. All right, let's get this underneath the light. I've got that cured. I'm going to go ahead and brush it with some green glitter on the back side. Doing it nice and thick so you can see the glitter behind it, hopefully. This is just, I don't even remember where I got this glitter. I think it was Temu. I don't know. Got it somewhere anyway. Okay, I'm going to come back with my UV resin. And I'm just going to go ahead and top it off. Move it around a little bit so it goes to the edges. I think it's just a hair higher on this side. It is. Okay. I'm going to spray this with isopropyl alcohol to get that bubble out of there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's right over here. Well, there, popped it. Think it had some edge bubbles over here, it looked like. All right, I'm going to go ahead and bring this over here to cure it. And I'll be back to you when it's done. All right, I've got that cured. I'm going to go ahead and this is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to put a little bit of UV resin on it inside here. While it's still in the mold, I'm going to do this. And I'm going to lay it on top of the heart. Let's go ahead and cure it, and I'll be back when it's done. I just pulled it out from underneath the light. Let's go ahead and, oh wow, look at that. That is so pretty. And this is how it works. You just put your badge or whatever it is you need on here. And there you go. What do y'all think? You like that? Needs a little bit of cleanup, but I think it's gorgeous. I'm going to put it back under the lamp one more time. But if you like this channel, please hit that subscribe button. And thank you to all my subscribers that are already out there. I appreciate y'all so much. And don't forget to share and hit that like button and the thumbs up. It really helps. So we'll see you next time. And don't forget to watch this next video coming up. Bye for now.